we'd like to move to, as the whole healthcare system is more of a value-based pricing scheme. So rather than have a list price and then negotiate all these deals and rebates, have a system whereby the value produced by the medicine, so preserved days out of the hospital or better HbA1c rates for people with diabetes, that's how we figure out the remuneration for the inventor. Now, a lot of work to do to get there. We need changes in Washington as well as some innovation with our commercial payer partners. But Lilly's trying to lead the way on both those points.
Well, speaking of Washington, the president-elect hasn't said much about the drug industry, but what he has said is that he doesn't like what's happened with drug prices,
yes,
and he wants to bring them down.
Yeah.
What are your expectations for what Trump means for the industry, and is everybody holding their breath to see who he's going to tweet about?
Well, we'll engage with the new administration, as we would any new administration, and Chairman Price, who's the new HHS incoming secretary, knows a lot about health care, to try to solve the problems I was just discussing, which is how do we make medicines as affordable for patients as we can and more balanced with the rest of the healthcare services and products people consume. We think if we do that, people realize medications are a great way to invest our healthcare dollars. Eventually, most of these medications become almost free because they go generic. That's unique for pharmaceuticals. Other services in the healthcare system don't have that feature. So we're happy to partner with them to try to solve these problems. Value pricing is another theme we've been after.
Well, another thing that has been talked about potentially under Trump is a tax holiday. What would you do with, do you want to see that? What do you want to see in terms of taxes? What would you do with that money?
Yeah, well, we need to see the specifics of any new tax program. Of course, we're all for looking at the corporate tax system we have in America, which puts us at a disadvantage as a U.S.-based company, whether that be to buy other biotech companies because we have a higher tax rate, or just how we have to run our operation to manage cash around the globe. So we welcome comprehensive corporate tax reform. If there is a repatriation vehicle to that, of course, we'll look into that. And we've got an ongoing stock buyback program. We would like to increase our dividend. We've said that. And, of course, use capital to run our operation and look at business development.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.